Ever felt like you're stuck in the shadows, unnoticed and undervalued? What if I told you there's a way to shift that perception, making others not just notice but truly value you? And what if this method didn't involve manipulation or games, but ancient wisdom that stood the test of time? In this video, we're diving into how Stoicism, the timeless philosophy of self-improvement and wisdom, can transform how others see you from indifferent to genuinely captivated. By embracing Stoic principles, you can cultivate self-confidence and authentic value that resonates with those around you. Stoicism isn't about tricks or illusions. It's about real, profound change that starts from within. We'll explore how understanding and practicing Stoic concepts like self-esteem, daily reflection, and negative visualization can elevate your personal value. Self-esteem acts as the bedrock of your personal worth, influencing how you interact with the world and how others perceive you. By being confident in your own skin, you become less dependent on external validation and more focused on living according to your principles. Confident individuals naturally attract respect and attention because they exude an inner security that's genuine rather than arrogant. Stoic practices like daily reflection help you align your actions with your values, while negative visualization prepares you for challenges, strengthening your resilience. Embracing a more fatty, or love of fate, encourages you to accept what you can't control and focus on making the best of your circumstances, enhancing your self-respect and personal growth. Self-esteem and value aren't destinations, but ongoing journeys of self-discovery and acceptance. Through these Stoic practices, you not only boost your confidence, but also foster genuine, meaningful connections with others. Ready to unlock these powerful Stoic techniques and transform your relationships? Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive into how you can make a lasting impact on those around you. Number 1. Emotional self-sufficiency. Emotional self-sufficiency means relying on yourself for happiness and well-being, rather than seeking others' approval. Imagine the liberation of being independent from external validation, focusing solely on your own satisfaction and well-being. This doesn't mean you avoid relationships, but that you build a strong internal foundation that supports healthy, balanced interactions. To develop this, engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Invest time in hobbies, learning, or reflection. Practice self-care through regular exercise, healthy eating, and mental relaxation. Setting healthy boundaries is also crucial. Know when to say no and protect your emotional space. Focusing on what you can control is another Stoic lesson. By letting go of things beyond your control, you reduce emotional burden and concentrate on what truly matters. Emotional self-sufficiency is about continual growth and self-recognition. As you become more self-sufficient, you naturally attract respect and admiration. Number 2, practicing virtue. At the heart of Stoicism is living virtuously, acting with honesty, courage, justice, and wisdom. Practicing virtue means staying true to your values, no matter the circumstances. When you live with integrity, you build a foundation of self-respect that doesn't rely on external validation. Reflect on which virtues are essential to you: honesty, empathy, courage, etc., and incorporate them into your daily actions. For instance, if honesty is important, commit to truthfulness in all interactions. Facing fears with courage and acting justly will reinforce your self-confidence and resilience. Virtue involves finding balance and making informed decisions. Seek knowledge, adapt your beliefs as needed, and continuously grow. By practicing virtue, you create a strong foundation to face challenges with grace and confidence, naturally attracting respect. Number 3, assertive communication. Assertive communication is about expressing your ideas and feelings clearly and respectfully without aggression or passivity. It involves honesty, a virtue we've discussed, and helps create an environment of transparency and trust. To practice assertive communication, use phrases that reflect your feelings without blaming others. Instead of, "You never listen to me," try, "I feel ignored when I'm not heard." This shift makes a significant difference in how your message is received. Active listening is also crucial. It involves fully focusing on the speaker, making eye contact, and asking thoughtful questions. Show that you value their perspective and understand their feelings. Maintaining eye contact and being present enhances your credibility and makes others feel valued. Assertive communication is a skill developed through practice. Each interaction is an opportunity to improve. Embrace feedback and use it constructively to build stronger relationships. This approach fosters deeper connections and enhances how others perceive you. Number 4, active listening. Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding and reflecting on what's being said. It involves paying full attention, avoiding distractions, and showing genuine interest through eye contact and confirming gestures. Ask thoughtful questions to clarify and understand the speaker's point of view. Paraphrase their words to ensure there are no misunderstandings and to reassure them that you're engaged. Cultivate curiosity about others' experiences to enrich your interactions and strengthen your bonds. Active listening promotes empathy, allowing you to better connect with others emotionally. Avoid interruptions, as letting the other person fully express their thoughts demonstrates respect. This practice not only improves relationships, but also contributes to personal growth. Number 5, consistency and reliability. Consistency and reliability are foundational to cultivating strong, enduring relationships, both personal and professional. Consistency means aligning your actions with your values and commitments, which fosters a sense of predictability and trust. Reliability, on the other hand, is about being someone others can depend on consistently. To embody consistency, it's crucial to honor your promises and meet your commitments. This can be as simple as being punctual, following through on deadlines, and showing up when you say you will. These actions not only demonstrate your reliability, but also enhance your credibility in the eyes of others. Moreover, clear and transparent communication is essential in reinforcing these qualities. Being open about your intentions and progress builds a solid foundation of trust. Regular self-reflection helps ensure that you remain aligned with your values and commitments, allowing you to continually improve and sustain these principles. By integrating consistency and reliability into your daily interactions, you create an environment where relationships can thrive, grounded in mutual respect and trust. Number 6, empathy. Empathy is a cornerstone of meaningful relationships and effective communication. It involves more than just hearing what someone says. It requires deeply understanding and sharing their feelings. Active listening is the first step, truly paying attention to the speaker without interrupting or planning your response while they talk. This attentive presence demonstrates that you value their perspective. Beyond listening, empathy involves recognizing and validating the emotions of others, which helps them feel heard and appreciated. Show empathy by acknowledging others' feelings, offering genuine emotional support, and celebrating their successes. Small acts of kindness, like remembering significant events in their lives or offering a comforting word during tough times, reinforce your empathy. Thoughtful responses and actions foster a compassionate environment where people feel safe and valued. Empathy not only enhances communication, but also strengthens collaboration and personal connections. By investing in understanding others, you build trust and deepen relationships, contributing to both personal happiness and the well-being of those around you. It's a powerful tool that enriches your interactions and cultivates a more connected and supportive community. Number 7. Personal appearance. Personal appearance is a vital aspect of self-value and plays a significant role in how others perceive you. It goes beyond just looking good. It's about demonstrating respect for yourself and those around you, maintaining good hygiene and dressing appropriately for various situations signals that you value yourself and understand the social context, which in turn earns you respect and credibility. Physical health, through regular exercise and a balanced diet, not only enhances your appearance but also boosts your overall well-being and energy levels. Investing in personal grooming, such as regular haircuts and a skincare routine, not only improves your look but also increases your confidence. This confidence is reflected in your interactions, making you more engaging and approachable. Additionally, a positive attitude, genuine smile, and open posture complement your appearance, helping to create a welcoming and approachable presence. Together, these elements form a powerful tool for reinforcing your self-worth and making a lasting, positive impression on others. Number 8. Development of social skills. Enhancing social skills is essential for fostering meaningful connections and building stronger relationships. Begin by initiating conversations with a warm, friendly demeanor and actively engaging with your conversation partner. Effective body language, such as maintaining eye contact, using an open posture, and offering genuine smiles, signals approachability and encourages openness. Focus on clear and concise communication to express your thoughts and feelings accurately while also being a good listener, as understanding others' perspectives is crucial. Handle criticism with grace, using it as a tool for self-improvement rather than as a personal affront. Authenticity is key. Being genuine in your interactions fosters trust and makes your connections more impactful. Developing these skills is a continuous journey that demands regular practice and reflection. Each social interaction offers a chance to refine your approach and deepen your relationships. By consistently applying these techniques, you'll enhance your social proficiency, making it easier to forge and sustain meaningful bonds. Number 9. Patience and understanding. Patience and understanding are fundamental to nurturing trust and fostering effective relationships. Embracing patience means allowing conversations and interactions to unfold naturally without rushing judgments or reactions. It involves taking the time to actively listen and genuinely comprehend others' viewpoints, even if they differ from your own. By approaching interactions with a mindset of learning and respect, you create a space where meaningful dialogue can thrive. This approach not only shows that you value the other person's perspective, but also demonstrates your willingness to engage in empathetic communication. Understanding, in this context, means not just hearing what others say, but also acknowledging their emotions and experiences. This depth of engagement helps to build a foundation of trust and mutual respect, making it easier to address conflict constructively and strengthen connections. By practicing patience and understanding, you cultivate an environment where relationships can flourish and deepen over time. Number 10. Self-reflection and growth. Regular self-reflection is a powerful tool for personal development and enhancing your relationships. By taking time to honestly assess your actions, behaviors, and interactions, you gain valuable insights into how you impact those around you. This practice involves not only evaluating successes and areas for improvement, but also understanding the underlying motivations and emotional responses that drive your behavior. Embrace self-reflection as a continuous journey rather than a one-time event. Each moment of introspection is an opportunity to learn and grow, refining your approach to relationships and communication. This commitment to growth fosters deeper, more meaningful connections and demonstrates a willingness to evolve. Strive to implement changes based on your reflections and actively seek out opportunities for self-improvement. By doing so, you cultivate greater empathy, understanding, and effectiveness in your interactions, ultimately enhancing the quality of your relationships and personal well-being. By integrating these Stoic techniques into your daily life, you'll enhance how you're perceived and foster deeper, more meaningful relationships. Remember, transforming perception starts with cultivating genuine self-worth and authentic interactions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching.